Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Sign into the same Google account on your phone and on Play. Google.com. Do not use a different account or a work profile. Open a desktop browser and go to Play. Google.com. Click Settings in the left menu and find My Devices listed. Confirm your phone appears with device model and Android version. On the phone, open Settings, Accounts, Google, then Sync Now. Wait 2 minutes for the cloud to update and then refresh the Play Store web page. Open Settings, Apps, Google Play Store and choose Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Storage to reset the app. Next, open the 3 dots and choose Uninstall Updates to restore the factory Play Store. Reboot your phone after uninstall completes and wait 30 seconds. Then open the Play Store, which will update automatically. Open Google Play Services and update it to the latest version using Play Store if an update is available. If the device still does not appear, remove and re-add your Google account on the phone. Open Settings, Accounts, Google, choose Remove Account, then add the same account back. Backup photos and app data to Google Drive before trying more drastic steps. A factory reset will erase all local data, so confirm backups first. As a last resort, perform a factory reset or contact your device manufacturer and Google support for account visibility assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.